Looking for reliable and efficient lab mixing equipment? Meet the Heidoph Unimax 1010 DT, your perfect orbital agitator for consistent, high-quality agitation. With an adjustable speed range from 20 to 250 RPM, you get precise mixing control for even the most delicate samples. Its optimized 25mm orbital motion ensures uniform agitation, making it ideal for everything from cell cultures to chemical reactions. Built with durable stainless steel and a chemical-resistant finish, this machine is designed for long-term use, even in the most demanding lab environments. Plus, built-in overload and temperature protection keep your experiments safe. Energy efficient and compact, it operates seamlessly at 220 volts and fits easily into any workspace. The user-friendly digital controls make parameter adjustments quick and simple. Best of all, this unit has been expertly reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced by Galileo scientific specialists, guaranteeing reliable, top-tier performance at a fraction of the cost of new equipment. Upgrade your lab today with the Heidoph Unimax 1010 DT. Contact Galileo Scientific to learn more.